What's happening, guys? Today I've popped down to Wuttakhat Road on the Thonburi side of Bangkok to check out a shop called Beardboy, which my friend Oat owns, and they specialise in teow Kua Gai. So if you're not familiar with teow Kua Gai, it's wide rice noodles fried with chicken. But the twist here is that he's also got another dish called teow Moo Krob. So it's the same stir-fried noodles, but with deep fried crispy pork belly. So if you're a fan of Thai fried noodles, you're not going to want to miss this. Let's go. Alright, so he's got all the pork ready cut into strips, and then all he's done is sort of scraped the top, cleaned it up, he said, and he's made one slice down the middle of the pork, down the middle of the pork belly. I guess that's to let all the fat into the skin, so it's going to bubble up and crisp up. Now we're going to salt it, then we're going to fry it.
So my recipe is easy.
You cut the middle, right? Like,
Yeah.
Cut down, is that to let the fat go in? Like
This one?
when it's cooking?
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Just like this. I cut half for make the crispy.
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the oil.
Oil go in?
Yeah, oil inside. Yeah, inside is check out for make the crispy.
See, this is much better. When I named myself, when I tried to brand myself as the roaming cook, this was the point of my videos, or this meant to be the point of my videos, to actually show you how to cook. But I thought, why not just get someone who actually knows how to cook properly to show you how to cook? So they're going to show me how to cook, I'm going to show you how to cook, and hopefully oh, chili's hitting me, oil's hitting me. Back to what I was saying. So these people, like Oat and the bun shop I went to, I'm never going to be as good as them, and that's okay. But all I can do is learn, and all we can do is learn together, all right? So hopefully you're going to learn something useful from these videos. If you are, then please comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you'd like to see us cook next.
So this temperature is Celsius. When we deep fry this one, the first just 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so first fry is at 120 degrees, and that's just to crisp up the skin a little bit. Let's take a look.
It's like a slow cook. Yeah, like this. Like this. It's okay.
Just the skin, right?
Yeah, just skin.
Okay, so yeah, the first round he just fries the skin by itself. So he lays it flat, 120 degrees, about 10-15 minutes. All right, and then that's going to crisp up the skin, start rendering the fat out, lets it cool down, and he deep fries the whole lot for another, I'm not sure, but I'll find out in a minute. But I've just seen one of the other guys cooking crispy Kua Gai, so that's the speciality here. It's not like your normal fried Kua Gai, it's like a deep fried crispy pancake. It's a deep fried with an egg on top. It looks absolutely insane. Let's take a look. Right, so a lot of places boil the pork belly first. Oat doesn't bother with this. No need. Oat's a chef, right?
Yep.
Trained
Chef.
in Barcelona, no?
Yeah.
You work in Barcelona?
Long times ago,
Yeah.
maybe 10 years ago.
So you can cook Thai, Phalang, Jin, everything.
Yeah, everything.
Everything.
So
We're gonna-
I can cook bakery also.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he has the tattoos to everything. So he make ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream, croissant, rice, and sugar cream. Yeah, Thai mackerel, platou.
Platou.
Yeah, platou. Yes. This side ingredient and food, and this side equipment
Ah.
in the kitchen. Yeah.
Nice.
I show you. 1 second. I show you. This is and ways it cool down.
Okay, so the first one,
Yep.
this looks so good.
Yeah.
So the first one we just cooked the start to render the fat, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then
True.
the second one,
True.
crispy.
Yeah.
Problematic.
ใช่กรอบมากๆกรอบมาก It's same เผ็ดหมอ
This is the master.
Not master just Casey
Whew, sweating. All right, so we're just going to stick this back in full heat, 200 degrees, for just a minute or 2 minutes. Just going to crisp it up, bubble everything up nicely. Apparently, I'm very interested to see what this does because it hasn't been cooking for that long. So yeah, we'll see. Alright, so the crispy pork is out, the Moo Krob is done, and this is a thing of beauty. Brown on the bottom, bubbly on the top. He's going to chop this up, refry it with some noodles, deep fried, crispy Kua Moo Krob. The pork's been cooked twice, alright, and he's purposely undercooked it. So when we go to deep fry the noodles with the pork again in the wok, shallow fry it in the wok, then it's going to be perfectly cooked through, not overcooked, not undercooked. Perfect. All right, let's take a look at this one. This is another one I've not seen anywhere else. Pad pig clear, so stir-fried chili and salt. Kua Gai, so it's teow, so noodles fried with chili and salt chicken. Looks and smells amazing. This guy, it's not just Oda cooks, he's trained up a couple of other guys in here and they're just smashing out dish after dish after dish, so they know what they're doing. Let's take a look. So the number one tip that Oat's given me today is make sure you're stir frying. Doesn't matter if you're stir frying in a shop like this over massively high heat, or at your home on an electric stove with a non-stick pan. Get everything ready, get everything prepared, get everything marinated, get all your sauces out. You know, here it's industrial, so they've got it all in separate pots and stuff. They've got all the noodles weighed out to the gram in jars, but that's even a good idea. If you're going to cook noodles at home, weigh each one out so you're cooking exactly the same amount in each dish, and just cook one set of noodles at a time, especially if you're cooking at home and you haven't got this sort of industrial heat. Just cook one set at a time. They take minutes to cook, so it's not a big deal. All right, so finally I get to eat. I wish that there was something I could put on the camera so you could smell this. It smells absolutely incredible. So let me show you what we've got. Quite a few chilies, a few red chilies, because this is the piklua, so chili and salt. We've got some crispy fried garlic, some hom teow, that crispy Moo Krob that we saw him make earlier. Always comes with lettuce, Kua Gai, for some reason. I've never got anyone to tell me why. And these charred wide rice noodles. Think a la pad see ew if you've not had this dish before. All right, so something you don't get everywhere is a lime to squeeze over the top. Like in Thailand, it's just more common to get a lime with fried rice. And for some reason, you don't get it with any other stir-fried dish, which I always find a bit strange. Like he said, he actually trained under a French chef when he first started cooking. So this guy, he said, was all about balance. So he likes to think about every dish. So he says he uses the lime to cut through the richness and the saltiness of these stir-fried dishes. Anyway, I'm going to squeeze a bit of this lime juice on without further ado. And it's something we've also got to go in with a little bit of sriracha, because this is how Thai people eat this dish, with sriracha sauce. I'm going to squeeze a bit of this on. Not too much. Right, so we'll get a dot of the noodles, bit of that crispy pork. Oh, let's go. I'll tell you what, these places just keep getting better and better and better. The combination of crispy, salty pork, red hot chili. So if you're not familiar with morsel in Thailand, and think charred, squidgy, chili salt rice noodles with Chinese crispy garlic on top in England or America, winner. Definitely better crispy pork with the lime juice. Because like I say, usually you don't get lime juice with this, and it is quite a rich dish. It is a dish that I eat quite a lot. Nai Hong, you might have seen, and teow Kua Gai, and then Auntie Pien was the latest one I went to. That was probably my favourite so far. But this is up there. But it's giving the chilies like a burnt, charred outside, and the noodles got so much flavour. I don't know how you say it. I always get it wrong. Wok-hei, the wok's breath. I can't tell you how good this dish is. If you're like me and you're a proper noodle head, like I love noodles. I love noodle soup. I love fried noodles. This is 100% my favourite noodle dish in Thailand. Much prefer it to pad see ew, much prefer it to pad thai. It can be a little bit bland, and if you get it in just a random stir-fry shop, usually it's just rice noodles with MSG all over them. This is pure flavour, most of which is coming from the wok. The crispy pork, the sauce, the lime juice, it all comes together perfectly. This is worth the trip from anywhere in Bangkok alone, if you like Kua Gai. Right, so this is what makes this place unique. This is a Kua Gai hard, so it's deep fried noodles. So it's the same as the last set, but it's deep fried and it puffs up like a crispy, bubbly noodle pancake with a runny egg. There's loads of that marinated chicken in there, and then we've got 2 prawns, which I'm going to eat because Helen doesn't like prawns. So, let's go in with this now. Bottoms up. This is so unique. I said the last one was worth coming for. This is worth coming for alone as well. So come and get the combo. Come and try everything. The pad kapao looks good. He does all sorts of stuff. He's always got specials going on. He's a very creative chef. So he likes to experiment. But what is always on the menu is delicious Kua Gai. And being a seafood man, he knows to give me some prawn heads to suck on. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Gary.
Everything absolutely delicious.
Sure.
Yeah.
Online.
Amazing.
Okay.
So I'm going to stick all of Oat's social media stuff in the description box, so make sure you follow him. I'm going to stick directions so you can get here yourself. But I'm going to say a few words.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much for the review today.
So thank you very much for having us.
Yeah,
So,
see you.
When can we come to your seafood restaurant?
So, about my shop, I go there every Tuesday and Wednesday night.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see.
And everything direct from the fisherman, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Brilliant. Well, it's all right, so we're going to pop down there. I just want to say a big thank you, O. Thanks for letting us come down here. Thank you for teaching us a little bit about Kua Gai
Yeah.
and Moo Krob.
Welcome.
And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something.
Thank you.
Thanks very much again. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the Highway Chef,
Yeah.
Thailand's new superstar. And we will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.
Okay, see you.